tempted by your smile. I was walking down a lonely road, carrying dreams and a heavy load. Then I saw you standing in the light, a little piece of heaven in my sight. Your smile came like the morning sun, a feeling I knew had just begun. The ocean breeze was calling my name, and from that moment nothing felt the same. Every time you look my way, you brighten up my darkest day, like a melody carried by the sea. Your love keeps calling me. I'm tempted by your smile. I could stay with you a while, lost inside your beautiful eyes, like stars shining in the sky. I'm tempted by your smile. You make my heart feel alive. With every heartbeat I know it's true. Paradise begins with you. The palm trees dance when you walk by, like they're reaching for the sky. The moonlight falls upon your face, turning every moment into grace. We laugh together by the shore, and I find myself wanting more. No treasure hidden beneath the blue could ever compare to loving you. Take my hand and walk with me, where the waves meet the endless sea. Leave the worries far away, let love guide us through the day. I'm tempted by your smile. I could stay with you a while, lost inside your beautiful eyes, like stars shining in the sky. I'm tempted by your smile. You make my heart feel alive. With every heartbeat I know it's true. Paradise begins with you. Every sunrise tells a story, every sunset holds your glory. You're the rhythm in my song, the place where my heart belongs. When the world feels cold and gray, your love brings a brighter day, like the ocean meets the sand. I was meant to hold your hand. Baby, it was destiny. The universe brought you to me. A simple smile, a simple glance started this beautiful romance. Through the seasons, through the years, I'll be there to calm your fears. Like the waves that touch the shore, I'll keep loving you The stars are shining over us tonight. Everything feels perfectly right. Your laughter echoes through the air, a love so special and so rare. If tomorrow takes us far away, I'll remember this beautiful day, because one thing will always be true. My heart found a home with you. I'm tempted by your smile. I could love you for a lifetime. Every moment, every day, your love takes my breath away. I'm tempted by your smile. My heart has found its paradise, under the moon and endless sky. I'll love you until the end of time. So keep that smile shining bright, like a star in the Caribbean night. The ocean knows, the heavens see. Your smile brought love to me. One love, one heart, one dream. Forever melody. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. The sun is shining on a brand new day. The ocean breeze is blowing my worries away. I hear the rhythm coming from the shore, a sweet little melody I can't ignore. Then you walked in with your beautiful smile. Oh, made my heart stop for a little while, like a flower blooming after the rain. You brought sunshine into my life again. Every moment feels so right, like stars are dancing in the night. Your love is the song my heart will sing, a beautiful feeling that you bring. Sweet love vibe flowing through my soul. You make my broken pieces whole. Sweet love vibe shining like the sun. With you I feel my journey has begun. Every heartbeat, every smile makes life sweeter all the while. Sweet love vibe, forever true. My heart found paradise with you. Walking with you beside the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees moving with the island sound, peace and happiness all around. Your laughter is my favorite tune, like a summer night beneath the moon. No diamond, no treasure, no ocean wide could match the love I feel inside. Hold my hand and stay with me. We'll write our story by the sea. Through every season, come what may, our love will never fade away. Sweet love vibe flowing through my soul. You make my broken pieces whole. Sweet love vibe shining like the sun. With you I feel my journey has begun. Every heartbeat, every smile makes life sweeter all the while. Sweet love vibe, forever true. My heart found paradise with you. When the evening paints the sky in gold, I'll cherish every story we've told. The waves may rise, the tides may turn, but this is a love that will always burn. You are the calm inside my storm, the place where my heart feels warm. With every sunrise, with every night, you are my reason, you are my light. If the road gets hard someday, we'll find a way, we'll find a way. Because true love knows how to stand when two hearts walk hand in hand. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. Yeah, yeah. Under the stars we dance so slow, feeling a love that continues to grow. The world can change, the years can fly, but our love will reach beyond the sky. Every memory, every dream is sweeter than it ever seemed. With you beside me, I can see the best of life is you and me. Sweet love vibes flowing through my soul. You make my broken pieces whole. Sweet love vibe, brighter than the sun. With you my heart has found someone. Every heartbeat, every smile makes this journey worth the while. Sweet love vibe, forever new. My greatest blessing will always be you. Oh, the ocean whispers, the palm trees sway. Love keeps shining every day. One heart, one dream, one beautiful ride. Forever together, side by side. Sweet love vibe, sweet love song. With you is where my heart belongs. The moon is shining over the ocean tonight. The stars are glowing with a beautiful light. The breeze is whispering your name to me, like a sweet song floating over the sea. I see your smile, I feel your glow, a special feeling that continues to grow. Every moment when you're by my side feels like a journey on a peaceful tide. Forget the worries, leave them behind. Tonight is a moment for hearts to unwind. Feel the rhythm, feel the sound. Love is the treasure we have found. Come closer, baby, stay with me tonight. Let the moonlight hold us in its light. Come closer, baby, don't let this feeling go. You're the sweetest love I've ever known. With every heartbeat, with every touch, I realize I love you so much. Come closer, baby. seasons and the changing years. I'll stand beside you through smiles and tears. Like the waves that return to the shore, I'll keep choosing you forevermore. Every sunrise, every sunset we see will be another memory for you and me. A love like ours is rare and true, a beautiful journey shared by two. Let the music play, let the night unfold, let our story be forever told. The stars above and the ocean below know the love that continues to grow. No distance, no time, no passing day could ever take this feeling away. Come closer, baby, stay with me tonight. You are my sunshine, you are my light. Come closer, baby, forever we'll be writing our love story beside the sea. With every heartbeat, with every day, I love you more in every way. Come closer, baby, my heart is true, my paradise begins with you. The waves keep calling, the stars shine above. The island is singing our beautiful love. One heart, one dream, one melody. Come closer, baby, stay here with me. Hold me through the night. The moon is shining over the sea tonight. The stars are glowing with a gentle light. The world is quiet, the waves are slow, and I feel a love I never knew before. Your voice is like a soft melody, a peaceful song that comforts me. When I am lost, when I lose my way, your love brings me back again each day. Stay with me, don't let go. There's a feeling only we know. In your arms I feel alright. You are my shelter through the night. my side. Tomorrow brings another morning sun, another chance for two hearts as one. But tonight I wanna stay right here, where your love makes everything clear. The seasons change, the years may fly, but true love never says goodbye. Like the waves returning to the shore, I'll keep loving you forevermore. When the rain falls from the sky, I'll be there standing by your side. When the road becomes unknown, we'll find our way together home. The stars may fade, the night may end, but my love for you will never hold me through the night, keep me close beneath the moonlight. Let our hearts move with the sea, forever you and me. Hold me through the night, you are my dream, my paradise. Through every moment, every day, my love for you will never fade away. The ocean whispers softly, the stars are shining bright. My heart has found its home now, with you throughout the night. One love, one heart, one dream, forever you and me. The night is calm, the ocean still. A gentle breeze moves over the hill. The stars are shining like diamonds above, painting the sky with the colors of love. I hear your voice like a sweet melody, a quiet song meant only for me. Your smile glows under the silver light, a beautiful dream in the middle of the night. Come close, let the world fade away. Stay with me until the break of day. Feel the rhythm, feel the sea. This is where you belong with me. Whisper in the moonlight, tell me all your dreams tonight. Let the waves carry our song, where our hearts can both belong. Whisper in the moonlight, everything feels so right. With your love beside my heart, we'll never be apart. Palm trees dancing in the midnight air, a peaceful feeling everywhere. The reggae rhythm softly plays, like a love song from distant days. Walking with you along the shore, I find a love worth waiting for. No treasure hidden beneath the sea could mean more than you to me. Hold my hand and stay a while. Give me one more beautiful smile. Under stars that shine so bright, we found forever in the night. Whisper in the moonlight, tell me all your dreams tonight. Let the waves carry our song, where our hearts can when I felt alone, searching for a place that felt like home. Then you came like the morning light, turning my darkness into something bright. Your voice was the song my heart needed to hear. Your love was the reason I lost my fear. Now I'm standing right here once again, feeling the warmth of my closest friend. The ocean knows the story we share. The stars have seen the love we wear. Through every road, through every rain, my heart found its way again. In your arms again, I found my peace, a love that makes my worries cease. In your arms again, I feel alive, like the sun returning after the night. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing will ever feel the same. In your arms again, I finally see the place my heart was meant to be. Palm trees sway in the evening breeze. The moonlight shines across the seas. A reggae rhythm fills the air, reminding me that love is there. We walk together along the shore, creating memories forevermore. The waves may change, the tides may turn, but this is a love that will always burn. Take my hand and stay with me. Let's write our story by the sea. No distance can tear us apart. You will always live inside my heart. In your arms again, I found my peace, a love that makes my worries cease. In your arms again, I feel alive, like the sun returning after the night. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing will ever feel the same. In your arms again, I finally see the place my heart was meant to be. Years may pass and seasons change, but true love will remain the same. Like the rivers flow into the sea, your love keeps coming back to me. When the world feels heavy and cold, your love is the story I want to hold. A simple smile, a gentle touch can remind me why I love you so much. If tomorrow brings another storm, I'll be the shelter that keeps you warm. If the road becomes hard to find, I'll walk with you through every time. Because a love that's deep and true always finds its way back to you. Love is the song my heart will sing.